Good morning, students. How are you? I hope everybody's doing really well. I thought I would make you a little video and run through the course with you. My name's Professor Leah Madison, and I'll be teaching your course on health promotion and protection. And today is Sunday, May 14th. It's Mother's Day, so for all you moms and for the mothers out there, happy Mother's Day. I hope that you find this video helpful, and if you have any questions at any time, please feel free to contact me. Over here, office hours are by appointment. You can email me anytime. This is my cell phone. That'll be the best way to get a hold of me because I won't be in my office on campus at Castleton, but I also text. You can text me at that number. So I'm going to do everything I can do to help you be successful in this course. So I am recording this from home, so sometimes we have cats that appear in the background. Cleo likes to sleep on the couch behind me. Yogi's around, and so isn't Freddie. And then I have my dog Sadie. So if they pop in the background, I apologize. If I have to pause, I will and restart during this video if there are any interruptions. So I hope you find this helpful. So let's start. So right here is the introduction to the course, and we're going to look at individual health and wellness across the lifespan and some health values, beliefs, personal preferences that are examined to determine their impact on attitudes and practices. So by now, I think all of you have been using Moodle and you're familiar with the way the courses are laid out. So when you first log into this course, of course, you're going to check over this document. It talks about some of the linkages for Moodle. Also, the netiquette for Spartans. This is the concise course guide to holding positive online discussions. Here is the oath of academic honesty, which you'll need to do. If you just click on it and then sign the oath of academic honesty, it'll allow you to get into your course documents. And then once you do that, you're going to introduce yourself to the course and tell me a little bit about you and why you're taking this course and what you hope to learn. And this is the linkage where the course documents are, the syllabus, the weekly schedule, and the grading rubrics. The book that we're going to be using, I have right here with me today. It's a pretty simple book. This is it. It's called Health Promotion Throughout the Lifespan. And I really like this book, and I also really like this course. It's one of my favorite courses to teach. I am going to go through the syllabus now, which I have already opened, so let me just pull that up for you. So here is the syllabus. I have been teaching a very long time in nursing. I have a master's degree in community health as a clinical nurse specialist. I also have a postmaster's as a psych NP, and by August I will finish up my doctoral degree. I'm going to Sage Colleges in the doctoral program on education and leadership, and my dissertation is looking at the use of social media in nursing education. So it's been really fun, and I'm really looking forward to having it done. All right, you'll notice on page 2 there's a learning agreement that you're going to need to read and sign, and I've provided an assignment link, and let me just go back to the course so you can see. Right here there is an assignment link that says please upload your Learn signing agreement here. So what you can do with that Learn signing agreement is you can sign it, and then you can either take a picture of it and upload it to that assignment link, or you can scan it, you can email it to me, you can save it as a PDF, whatever works for you, however that works. So if you just look at this and then look at academic honesty policies that I've linked you to in the syllabus, and then just sign that. So this is the course. It's 3 credits and it's online, as you guys all know. This is the course description. I won't read it to you, but I would ask that you read it. And then I'm just going to keep going down through here. So some of the texts that we'll refer to are the American Nurses Association Scope and Standards for Public Health Nursing. And if you don't have it, it's okay, because I'll link it for us online. There's a lot of open education resources that I like to use during my courses. And also, you should have the APA manual. I have linked us to that on the Moodle course, and I'll show you where that is as well. And then this is a link to the writing standards for Castleton University, so you probably should take a look at that. So, one of the things that we're going to do is look at first of all, online behavioral policies. I think it's really important that everyone is respectful of the discussions that are going on, and share information, be engaged in the course. One of the things that I've done for this course is, I think you guys are used to posting your online discussion boards by Wednesday night initially, but I've changed that to Thursdays initially, because I think when you first open the week for the Monday starting the week that you're going to be in, having an extra day to just kind of formulate your responses makes it a little bit better in terms of the work that you can put out. So, these are the course policies, learning activities that are carefully designed to assist you in achieving the identified course outcomes, which I'll talk about. And this is a teaching learning experience, so it's really important for you to be engaged, as well as me being engaged with you to help you with your learning. And it's important to make sure that you complete your work on time, so it's fair to everyone. And this is, if anyone has any need for special accommodations, this is our statement that we put in our syllabus, and you can contact Kathy at Castleton University and ask for those accommodations. This is the grading scale. I'm sure that you're all familiar with that. So these are the nursing program outcomes that we're going to be looking at in health promotion. We're going to look at health from a variety of nursing and related theoretical perspectives, particularly the transaction model of change. That'll be really important, and you'll be using that to work on your own SMART action plan, and I'm going to show you how to do that. And then we're going to look at some of the biological, psychosocial, cultural, and spiritual influences that determine patterns of behavior. I think one of the things that's really important is, when we're working with our patients, not to overwhelm them with a lot of changes all at once. You know yourselves, when you're trying to work on some changes in your own health, it can be a difficult process. And one of the things the American Nurses Association has done is put out a page on nurses getting healthy themselves, and we're going to take a look at that as well. I have that open. So we're going to look at environmental factors. As we all know, there are lots of things that impact health and health-related behaviors. Everything from, air pollution to natural disasters, all of those different kinds of things. And we're going to look at principles of teaching and learning and health promotion. We're going to critique health data. You're going to look at some things on CDC and the World Health Organization, and we're even going to talk about health promotion from kind of a global perspective. You'll have a couple of papers to write, and we're going to also talk about some of the ethical, legal, and political issues that can influence health promotion, and philosophical and economic issues as well. As we all know, there are changes coming about in healthcare itself and in health insurance. I think recently one of the things Vermont just did was pass a law legalizing small amounts of marijuana. I think got passed yesterday. No, today's Sunday. I think it was on Friday. So, and then we're gonna look at developing teaching plans. So you should all be familiar with the baccalaureate essentials. That's what we use to formulate these outcomes that you're going to gain as you move through this course. So the particular baccalaureate essentials that we're going to use for this course are related to liberal education, so it's really important for you guys to have a solid base in your generalist practice. We're going to look at evidence-based practice around healthcare and health promotion and prevention. We're going to look at communication for improving patient health outcomes. As nurses, we work with teams of people to collaborate and provide care to our patients, and we can be strong advocates in leading those changes and bringing teams of people together. And then we're going to look at clinical prevention and population health. You know, what are some of the systems that are in place for that?